Xiaomi 13 Classic unboxing in ProRes. The box is 660 grams, very heavy. What's inside? That is the question. Probably a case. There it is. A lot of papers and a case included, which is great. Whoa, it is heavy, very heavy. 120-watt charger. Also very heavy. And USB type A to USB type C cable, 120 watt. Okay, let's put it aside. Black version. Power button, volume button, air blaster, microphones, 2 of them. 3 of them, this. Nothing on the left, and USB type C SIM card tray, microphone, and speaker. Wow, it is heavy, very heavy. Bam. Ooh, big. And the case will protect your screen. You see, it's a little above the screen, and it will protect your camera. It is above the camera. See those edges? Above the camera. Let's hop in quickly to an audio experience. Stereo speakers. First impression. Wow, what a beautiful screen. Let's hit settings. Smartphone is updating at the moment. If we go to a display and then hit the refresh mode, auto rotate screen, refresh, default. We don't want a default. We want 100. Oh, okay, default or custom. Up to 144. Wow. Smooth experience. The amount of bloatware we do have, well, TikTok, Facebook, they all pre-installed. This is the 500 gigabyte version, so more expensive one. Let's see the camera very quickly. We have Pro. Wow. We have documents. We have video all the way to 8K 24 frames per second. Whoa. Damn, let me just bring something. Nice. Do we have autofocus in wide angle? Let's go. No, we don't. You have to go telephoto to get autofocus, which is unfortunate. Photo HDR by Leica. Portrait mode. This is all fresh. Wow. Portrait. Bam! Whoa! That's pretty cool. Filming with the iPhone. Night mode, more panorama view shot. 50 megapixel. Bam. There you go. 50 megapixel experience. Well, let me shuffle through a couple of pictures really quick. I'm recording with iPhone in the ProRes, that maximum resolution of the 15 Pro. Selfies. Bear in mind, this is just the unboxing and first impression. The full review camera test coming soon. I'm shuffling through the pictures really quick. A couple of selfies. I will put the link in the description for you to download a couple of original samples for photo and maybe even video, maybe. So there you go. If we zoom in, it's okay. It's okay. I have many more pictures to come with the beauty mode. Alright. Pretty decent. It's okay, I guess. Okay, this is just an unboxing and first impression. Very big, very heavy. I need to make a beautiful camera test. Those cameras are huge. And yeah, we're going to see, is this the best medium-range smartphone in the world or not? Or maybe even a flagship killer, who knows? We have to test that camera. Thanks for watching and see you next video.